Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com, Crowcoin price. I want to talk about the Loaded Lions, First Frontier land, and some pretty cool things I've seen with that. And I also want to talk about just crypto.com as a whole and take a dive into it and look at some of their announcements. So, guys, we have broken 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And once we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded lion, guys. So let's hop into this video. So first off, I stumbled upon this by one of the community members in the Cronos ecosystem, Ayo Colin. And guys, look at this video. This is fantastic. I just had to share it with you guys. I mean, guys, this is an unofficial video for First Frontier. I mean, if CDC can make anything like this for the Loaded Lions game, Main City, I mean, it's beautiful. I love it. I think it's so cool. I mean, look at you got the dunes, you got the lagoon coming up. I mean, there's a lot of really cool things here. I mean, this was all made from somebody that isn't a part of the team, or well, hypothetically isn't part of the team. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But I mean, look at this. It's just beautiful. I mean, I'm really, really looking forward to seeing what this game really brings and what we can really do. You know, it's going to be a play-to-earn game, but to what extent? Will we be able to walk around at all? Will we be able to invite people to our lands? I'm really excited. I mean, if it looks anything like this, guys, I mean, it's awesome. It's really, really cool. But I want to show you another thing from this man's page. Ayo, Colin, look at this. Look at this guy, what this guy did. I mean, he's not being paid by crypto.com. He just made this. I mean, look at this little cyber cub running around. It's really cool, guys. Really cool that somebody just put this together. The reason why I think this is so cool is that you have the crypto.com community that just does this. They just put stuff like this together, unincentivized. So I assume unincentivized, and it just creates this beautiful project based on what the crypto.com company comes out with. And it's beautiful, guys. I mean, really, what I like to see is really what it comes down to is that our community is just growing, guys, and it's stronger and stronger. And there's a lot of really passionate people in this community of the Loaded Lions and the Crow fam. And guys, it just makes me hyper bullish on crypto.com and the Crowcoin price, honestly. Like, seeing this type of building in the bear market. Oh man, when the bull market comes back and the people come back to the crypto space and they see stuff like this, guys, the prices are gonna fly. Guys, right now is an amazing accumulation zone for the projects you have true conviction for. So let's look over at crypto.com. I want to look at this thread that they came out with. They said, ups and downs, the building never stops. Let's look back at what we achieved together in 2023. So let's look at this, guys. They grew to 70 million users, guys. I'm sure it's higher than that right now, but I think that by the end of 2023, we'll be at 100 million easily. Easily. Even if we are just trading sideways the entire time and crypto's boring, easily we're going to get 100 million subscribers, guys. Or 100 million subscribers. Yeah, if the crypto.com got 100 million subscribers, that'd be great. I'm sure Crowcoin would be at $25 then. But no, I think crypto.com will reach 100 million users by the end of 2023. They say we obtain regulatory approvals in 9 Tier 1 jurisdictions. Look at all these, guys. Look at this. It's incredible. It's incredible. Look at all this. The crypto.com NFT, the crypto.com FIFA World Cup. I mean, it was plastered everywhere. We became the first crypto company to partner with FIFA World Cup. We acquired new industry-first security certifications. We introduced 64 new features in the Crypto.com app. Guys, the diamonds. The diamonds was a very cool addition to the Crypto.com app. You know, I don't use them that much, but every time I see it, I grab it. I don't really log on to my Crypto.com app that often, but unless I need to do a trade or purchase an NFT. But guys, let me know in the comment section below what you use these diamonds for and how you build your diamonds up. If you have a strategy or you want to let me know what's up with it, because I really want to know more about these diamonds and if it's worth my time, really, to be frank. But we launched the Gen 3.0 Crypto.com exchange. Still waiting for the U.S. Crypto 3.0 exchange. Really looking forward to that. That's going to be humongous for Crypto.com. We feature 1.4 million NFTs. Guys, this is crazy. We couldn't have done it without the Crow fam. I see. That's what I was saying earlier, guys. The Crow fam is wild. They're creating these mock-ups of this game. Just I mean, this guy says right here. He says, "Ayo, Colin, you should follow him. I mean, this is beautiful work. Beautiful work. Music producer, digital artist of Eyeball Games, character artist for Primates Cronos, and a couple more projects." And he makes the secret emoji. So maybe he is working for it. Maybe he is working for Main City. We'll have to find out, guys. I hope he is, based on these videos that he's made. They're beautiful. But let's look over the Crow coin price. So, guys, I've been saying that I don't want to see us grinding out on this support level at the 5.5 cent mark. We are kind of doing that, but not really. We bounced. We came down. I want another bounce like that. If we come down, that's okay. I want to see that. I want to see that. I don't want to see the grinding right here. We aren't even really retesting it right now. We're getting pretty close, but if we don't retest it, I'm bullish. If we do retest it, that's okay, as long as we get a bounce off. That's all that matters. But, guys, trading in between this 10-cent and 5.5 cent range is honestly an amazing, amazing buying opportunity. I see people calling for like 2 cents and 1 cent Crow coin, but I just don't really see it unless Bitcoin has another leg down. And to be frank with you guys, I think that I'll say it. I'm going to call bottom and say that Bitcoin has bottomed out. We could have another leg down if it's like a time capitulation. But where time capitulation is basically trading sideways for an extended period of time, low volatility, and you just get a capitulation event to the downside. But I don't see that happening. I really think that the bottom is in based on the long-term charts, which we'll get to at the end of this video. But guys, I also want to talk about. But yeah, guys, right now is honestly an amazing time to buy. Before I move on to the next subject, it's an amazing time to buy any crypto or NFTs you have a true conviction for. If you really believe in the long term of these plays, then right now is an amazing time to enter. I want to talk about Tectonic, guys. It doesn't look pretty. It doesn't look pretty, but I know some of the members and the Patreons were asking about a Tectonic update, so I'm going to do that for you guys. Guys, it doesn't look pretty. It doesn't look pretty. This is a new low on Tectonic, but I will say that the total volume locked up will increase come the bull market. That's how it goes. Even though DeFi is for the bear markets, guys, when the bear markets are going, that is the best time to accrue yield on your crypto using things like Tectonic and other DeFi projects. Guys, I do want to see us come back up to this channel right here, and hopefully this support doesn't turn into resistance, but we definitely have fallen a long way, unfortunately. This chart is ugly, guys. I will be honest with you. I will keep you guys up to date when I see something exciting happening with Tectonic. So let's go over to Bitcoin. So I was talking about how I'm calling bottom, guys. I'm saying that the bottom is in. I think the bottom was in at 15,500. Could we dip down? There is a chance. There is a chance. Trading and technical analysis is all about statistics and probability. Could we bounce to the downside? Yes, we could. But I do see that it just makes sense if 15,500 is the bottom. There's so many bottom signals flashing, and if you were to take this purple box and compare it to the previous cycle, the 370 days from top to bottom, and we would be 406 days to the top to bottom of this cycle if 15,500 was the bottom. It makes sense. It makes sense. Leading up to the Bitcoin halving, we're going to have a run up. Guys, well, we should have a trading to the sideways and up towards the halving. And I don't know if we really will have another one of these capitulation events right here leading up to the halving, because this was mainly towards the pandemic dump. And I don't know if we will have something similar like that that requires a black swan event. Could it happen? Of course it could happen. You never know what's going to happen. You can't tell the future, guys. But you can pull from data from the past. And I don't really see that this is going to happen. So, ideally, we could just get a run up to the up, sideways into the up, a grind, something like this. And we could keep going up, and then leading into 2025, finally see something like this. We'll go like this and see our next bull run. I think that that's going to be the probable thing, bring us up to about 150K. I think that is a reasonable price target for Bitcoin. But guys, I am tracking the S&P 500 because if the S&P 500 comes down, well, then maybe we will have another bottom for Bitcoin, a new low, or maybe we'll retest the 15,500s. But I mean, we are playing with the devil here, guys. With the S&P 500, if we bounce down from this, I mean, the weekly doesn't look nearly as bearish as like the daily, but yeah, guys. I mean, if we just continue to get rejected down here if we break this low right here, then I'm going to be worried. I think that Bitcoin is going to come down with it. Unfortunately, I know you guys don't want me to be bearish, but I just am going to say it how I see it, and that's just the way it is. I don't want to be just a constant moon boy. I want to tell you guys the things I'm seeing in the charts. So, guys, I do want to say we are giving a loaded lion away when we reach 25,000 subscribers, guys. I cannot wait for this. Just go over to Twitter, retweet this tweet, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. This post is growing. I can't wait to give this away. We're going to give away lots of more things. I can't say what we're going to be giving away, but CryptoKip and I are super excited, guys. And also, if you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member, guys. You get lots of perks. You get the ability to leave badges, and you get one-on-one time with CryptoKip and I, and you get plus 10 entries on this loaded line giveaway per month you are a member, guys. So you will have a severe disadvantage, or excuse me, a severe advantage if you are a member. Guys, I want to show you this. When you become a member, you get lots of cool things. You get badges. You get these emojis you can use in our live streams every 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Tuesday and Thursday. And also, we are having a private Discord in the works right now being made for our Patreon and our members. And it will have NFT alpha. It will have trade signals. You'll be able to have one-on-one time with CryptoKip and I, and we'll be just keeping the community together, guys, and having a closer community. I'm really looking forward to that. So, guys, if you stuck around this far, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.